Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Most nursery-grown plants are grown in a soil mix that has a lot of organic matter and other additives that keep the soil from compacting hard and helps hold moisture around the roots. If you put one of these plants in a hole about the same size as the root ball, you might as well have stuffed it into a pot. The two entirely different types of soil will form an interface or wall at the edge of the root ball that will be extremely difficult for the roots to penetrate. This is why it's so very important to use proper soil amendments, or planting partners as we call them, to give your plant a fighting chance. Dig your hole at least 2 to 3 times as wide as the plant root ball and only slightly deeper than the root ball. Set the soil aside, removing rocks larger than 3/4 of an inch to use in a backfill mix. Mix your native soil with a good organic amendment such as Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Planting Mix at a rate of 1 part native soil to 1 part amendment. This mixture helps to keep the native soil from packing hard when it's put back around the root ball and also helps to hold the moisture longer around the roots. Next, you should use a gentle starter fertilizer added to your mix. Do not use high nitrogen fertilizers for new planting. A good starter fertilizer will provide good levels of phosphorus and potassium while providing minimal nitrogen. Dr. Q's Gold Dust Starter Fertilizer will provide these nutrients to your new plants for up to 60 days and helps condition the soil at the same time. If the hole is deeper than the root ball, add rocks at the bottom to a point sufficient to support the root ball so that the top is level with the surrounding soil surface. Set the plants in place and fill the hole with the amended soil, tamping lightly as you go. Bring the soil level even with the top of the root ball, but do not cover the root ball with soil. Let it breathe. The backfill around the root ball creates a transition zone that is similar to the nursery soil, but also gets roots familiar with the native soil that they will later grow into. Build a basin around the plant and fill it with a solution of water and Dr. Q's Plant Tonic. Fill the basin 3 or 4 times to let the water soak into the entire root ball and surrounding soil mix. For more information, check out our free planting guide, Star Note number 001, at any Star Nursery location or at starnursery.com. Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply headquarters. We have the largest selection of sprinkler parts for any repairs or installation. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.